I'm Natalie. I hope you guys are good. I'm the CMO from Chat with EO, and today I'm going to show you guys a really useful tool for your business. So this is Optimize. It's a free tool that Google has provided us, and we can make some little changes when you have a site in your business that you want to change a bit. I don't know, maybe like a button, maybe like an image. And sometimes it works really good, so you can implement the changes after running the test for a whole week or 2 weeks. That is better, and then see if you have better conversions from your clients, from your users, which like version do they like more, and then it's kind of like a draft of changes that you can do before, and then once you see that it's going to work well in your site, you can implement them after, right? So I'm going to show you guys the one we created on Thursday, the 10th of November. See here, we can see the whole data. So the original version has more converters, 66%, and then the old version has a 34%. Of chances to be better, right? So we can see the old version was working better than the new version, so we're not going to implement those changes. But I'm going to show you guys a bit how it works, right? So here we have the whole metrics, right? And then here we go to details. We're going to show you guys the different ones. So this was the original version. Let's see it on desktop mode. This was the old version, right? So we changed a bit like the get started, we added like some checkouts, we changed the descriptions on the new version. So let me show you guys the new version here. So this was the new version, so you can see it changed the call to action button, we made it a bit bigger, and we also changed the description. So we realized it wasn't working that well. So for the new optimized test, we're gonna do some bigger changes, and I hope you guys like it. Let me show you guys a bit of like how it's gonna look. So this will be, we're gonna change the hero image, we're gonna change the title, we're gonna change the headline, and we change again the descriptions. Also here on the second side, on the scrolling, we added a bit of like a headline as well to make it more understandable for the users. And we're gonna start running this test probably today or tomorrow, and I'll keep you guys updated about how it's gonna go. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye.